In this video, I'll guide you through how to change name servers in Bluehost so you can point your domain wherever you need it to go, whether that's another hosting provider, a website builder, or a DNS service like Cloudflare. Before we dive in, it helps to understand what name servers actually do. Think of name servers as the traffic directors of the internet. When someone types your domain name into a browser, the name servers tell the browser where to go to find your website. Changing name servers is usually necessary when you're hosting your website or managing DNS somewhere other than Bluehost. Let's get started inside your Bluehost account. First, log into your Bluehost account manager using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your main dashboard. This is where you can manage everything related to your hosting and domains. Now look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find and click on the option labeled Domains. This takes you to the area where all of your domains connected to Bluehost are listed and managed. If you have multiple domains, make sure you're working with the correct one, since the name server changes will only apply to the domain you select. With the right domain selected, you'll see a management panel for that domain. At the top of this panel, locate the tab labeled Name Servers and click on it. This brings you to the section specifically for viewing and editing the name server settings for your domain. Next, look for a button that says Change Name Servers and click it. This is what allows you to switch from your current settings to something new. Once you click it, you'll see options for how you want your name servers to be configured. Here, you'll typically see two choices. One is default, which means your domain will use Bluehost's own name servers. This is what you want if your website and DNS are both managed directly through Bluehost. The other option is custom. Choose custom if you want to point your domain to a third-party provider, such as a different web host, a website builder, or a DNS provider like Cloudflare. If you choose the custom option, you'll see fields where you can enter your new name server addresses. These look something like ns1.example.com and ns2.example.com. Carefully type in the name server records provided by your new hosting or DNS provider. It's important to enter them exactly as given, without extra spaces or spelling changes, because even small mistakes can prevent your domain from working correctly. Once you've entered all the required name server addresses, double check them for accuracy. When everything looks correct, click the Save button. Bluehost may ask you to confirm that you want to make this change. Go ahead and confirm. After you save, the update is submitted, but the change is not instant across the internet. Name server updates can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate worldwide. During this time, some people might still see the old site while others see the new one, which is completely normal. And that's all you need to do to change name servers in Bluehost. Access your account, go to the domain section, open the name servers tab, choose whether you want default or custom, enter your new name server records, then save and confirm the change.